Hey there, viewers, and welcome back to the Self-Made Auto Channel. Well, you guys prompted this sort of video because you said you'd watch me watch paint dry. Well, here we are. And here you are, looking at me, looking at you. Common problem, any kind of car, the rear view mirror falls off. This one appears to have been, something has happened to it in the past because it has lots of old goo here, and not just your regular mirror goo. This is like Gorilla Glue, you know, the boogery type stuff. Look at my nasty finger. Step one to reattaching your rear view is to get rid of the old goo. And I've got a brand new razor blade here. We're going to try to get all the old goo off. The old goo and the shmoo. We got to get it off, get it clean, and then you have to get yourself a rear view mirror adhesive reattachment kit. Oh, looks shiny. And then the other thing you need to do is the button on the mirror. So that's that little metal button. Well, we've got to pop that button off, and then we also have to clean it. So this particular vehicle is, as you can see here, a Honda. This one has just little dog ear clips on either side that retain it, and then a little push tab right there that you push down on it while prying out the button. So then the button comes out like so. We'll slip that right out. The thing you have to be mindful of is what's top, what's bottom, what's inside, outside, because when we glue this on the windshield, if you do it wrong, you ain't getting it back off. So make sure you nose the top, you nose the bottom, and then clean this off. So my suggestion would be is take a Sharpie and write top and then draw an arrow, or just remember and live your life and take chances like you do with this razor blade gliding at your thumb. So we have to get all the old glue off it, which we could just do on the wire wheel, or we could take a chance. I like living on the edge, baby. Actually, I'll probably just go use the wire wheel. It appears to be pretty stuck on there. You don't want to slip and get your femoral artery, though. Trust me, it'd be better to lob off a finger. There we have it, folks. Clean and shiny. Got all the shmoo off it. Double check your up position. I know mine is like this. I can feel it in my bones. So there's that. Now, we're going to be using a Permatex rear view mirror adhesive. Use it on metal buttons only as a permanent bomb and a no trip applicator. No string though, so that's good. What we need to do is you have the adhesive and you have the activator. You have to open this up. Now the activator Schwab is attached to the baggie. So you open this up and then, oh wowzer, baby, that smells good. And then we go like so. Hi, I'm the little activator. And then you take this, and you don't want to get your digits on it once you get it with the activator. So you twirl this around, get it all over your button. Who's got the button? Then you come up on the windshield. Activating the windshield now. Then we activate the whole area, bigger area than even what you need. And then I would say if you don't have a very clear, distinct mark like we do on this windshield as to where to put it, prior to doing this, hold your mirror up there, have somebody go outside and mark it with a crayon or a Sharpie or something where it's got to go so you're not doing any guessing. And now, we have to open our adhesive. Very carefully at the top, we open it and apply one drop to the middle of your button. There's one drop. Oh, I want to do an extra drop. We'll just put a little, one extra. I just can't help myself. And then immediately stick it on your windshield. I just can't help myself. I mean, if a little is good, a lot has to be better, right? Let's see. Make sure you got right side up. Do we have right side up? I think so. Then try to find the middle. And then you need to stick it on. And then you need to hold it dead still for 1 full minute. with light to moderate pressure. Gosh, I hope that's right side up. I'm starting to feel the burn. Oh, I would never make it on a Survivor show. Arms tremoring. My breathing's getting heavy. We still have 15 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ah, it stayed. All right, folks, that's it. Now wait 30 minutes. All right, the lady returned 3 hours later. 2.5 hours more than the time I'm giving the old mirror polish. I'm an old mirror polisher from way back. Get some of the goo off inside the mirror, and in theory, the stars align and we're living right. I should click on there, retain itself. A little retaining tab. It doesn't really have a ton of spring to it, and it usually catches on that lower lip. No, I guess it just pops off without having to click anything. Let me make darn sure. Oh, there we go. Now she locked. I just had to push it in all the way. Oh, baby. Look at that. Wipe our greasy paw prints off it using a microfiber towel, not a sponsor. Oh, it looks good. I mean, real good.